Oh, what happened? I don't know what it did. I'm gonna call it, we have some interesting and fun most wished for items from Amazon to test today. Oh boy, Amazon was really feeding me the good stuff. If you're new here, welcome. And if you're not new here, also welcome. Glad you're back. We're gonna test some stuff. But for those who are new, Amazon has a most wished for area of their website where they go through all of the different products that people have saved to their various wish lists. So one would think that these are products that people are very excited about, that they want to know more about. And so I bought them because we need to know if they're actually worthy of being on a wish list or perhaps purchasing. Where do we want to start today? There's so many things. I got like really excited. You know what? Let's start with jewelry. I don't always find jewelry that I'm like really excited about and I feel like we need to test it together. But today's, we have some good ones, some good ones. Starting with one of my favorite brands from Amazon, PAVOI. If you have not tried this stuff, so good. Great quality and they don't hurt my ears at all. I mean, they have other stuff too, but I mostly buy them for jewelry, like earrings, jewelry. The earrings part. I saw these really cute little delicate earrings and I got really excited about them. So I bought them in silver as well as in gold in 2 different gemstones. Did I get 2 different gemstones? I mean, I did. One of them's not very good. Spoiler alert. Like again, they're not real. They're not real gemstones. So like maybe that's on me. So with the silver, I got these little blue gemstones, but they look more just like plastic, you know? And then I got opal for the gold. It's looking super blue right now though. I don't know. Doesn't it feel super opal-y to me? All right, let's try one. I did think about for a second how to put these into my earlobes. The way that they're curled around is confusing me. I do it like this. Yeah, I think this feels right. I thought maybe these would be like a cute little delicate piece. They had a ton of different like gemstones and stuff. Those are kind of cute. What do we think? I feel like if you had more like going on with your ear, like you had more gem placements and stuff, like this could be part of a set and it would look really cute. I am too scared to do more to my ears. I want to, but I don't, you know? I think those are really pretty. That is what they look like. I think those are pretty versus the silver. Ever since you guys told me to coat the earrings in some sort of like a cream or whatever to protect your ears, I can't stop doing it. And like these aren't even bad earrings. Like they work really well and they've never irritated my ear. I love that in this view, I can see that I have mascara on my lid. Awesome. Oh, Rachel killing the game today. Did I get it? I think I did. Okay, what do we think of these? They're a little bit more, like they're more obviously blue, but they're just kind of, I don't know. They're kind of flat. That's how I feel about them. They might look cool on like different parts of your ear though, you know? This is how they look far away. Just not like super excited, you know? I wanted to try something that wasn't just like a, you know, faux diamond type thing. I want to try something a little bit different, but I like the concept. What other colors do they have? Yellow gold. Yeah, I got the opal. Blue sapphire looks real pretty. Black. I like it was just black. Garnet, amethyst. Amethyst is pretty, but I feel like again, you need more stuff going on and then it would just like really like bring it together, you know? That's how I feel about it. But don't worry, is that all that I bought? No, it does not. Because I found a brand that does those like big bubble letter. I don't know if you've seen like Hailey Bieber with her bee necklace. That was custom made, obviously, but everyone and their mom is trying to copy it or do some variation of it. And so naturally, they're on a bunch of people's wish lists. So I got one that looked pretty online. It's not the same, but it's like inspired by. I want to see if I like it in terms of style. I feel like my answer is going to be, this was, you know, there were like a couple of different options that I saw that people were putting on their list. This was the closest to what I saw Hailey Bieber wearing. This just feels like a very standard, like they took an R, like from like Arial, you know? They took the Arial font and they turned it into a necklace. And I wish they went a little bit more funky bubble letter than this. And maybe they couldn't because of like copyright reasons or something. I don't know, but this feels a little too standard. If I'm gonna do a bubble necklace, I want it to be like a little bit funky. It isn't bad though. Like I can see a world in which like somebody would wear this and it would look really cute. For me, I want something a little bit different. Now we're gonna go a little bit rogue. This is something that is technically a necklace, but it's not for necklace purpose. This is an upright necklace posture holder. This is supposed to, wait, are you telling me, people of the wish list world, come on. You're telling me I bought this necklace and it's not even complete? You have to buy other things for this freaking necklace? Oh, I'm so angry. Okay, everyone, I'm gonna show you anyway. So this necklace was supposed to help me with my posture because dang it, I need it. So it's supposed to do like this, like that. And then it has, apparently, you attach a device thing right there, and then it goes here, and it's supposed to keep you upright with like magnets and stuff. So like obviously you have to be careful if you're like a pacemaker or something, but like you can't use it without buying another piece. Ugh. I have no one to blame but me. I didn't look into it enough. I just saw it and I was like, that's really cool. And then I bought it. That's okay, because I have another thing. I don't know if you missed it, but I've gotten really into keyboards. I don't know. That's just the thing. I am invested in the world of customizing keyboards. I don't know why. I don't know why I know so much, but I do now. And then I saw this and I thought this could be just fun. It's like a typewriter keyboard for your phone. Oh my gosh, this is incredible. I'm gonna set up my other camera here. Hang on. So we can all experience the world of keyboards together. Hang on, you can't see everything. Okay, so we can see it up close. Very exciting. I don't know how to set it up, and I'm just gonna roll with it. Is there anything else in here? There is not. Okay, I assume that goes there. What does this guy do? I don't know what that does, but I'm excited about it. Okay. Oh, there's a mode switch and a volume control. Exciting. Oh, there's like a whole Bluetooth thing. I'm not doing that. Can I do it just like this? Can I just plug it in with my phone? Nope. All right, fine. This works and I can do it, but it has to be with like an iPad or something. Can I do this? Go into notes. Now what? I have to turn it on. On? This is way more complex than I thought. Oh, it's gonna make me charge it. Hold on, we're gonna charge this. All right, so while that charges, we have another thing that looked very interesting. These are tone therapy discs. Yoga for your mind. They are 2 palm-sized speakers that play special New Origin waveform tones for 3 minutes to shift you into a calm state. I wish them the best of luck. I am not one that shifts easily. I came from the generation that was applauded and nay celebrated for being busy all the time. So this, I don't know how I feel about it. Feels very fancy. Oh, it's a picture of the founding team. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, just press on. Always listen to both speakers simultaneously. The packaging feels very elite. Got the little like velvety thing there. You can hold them. You can put them on the ground. Whatever moves you. So before I do a full, 3 minutes with this stuff, or attempt to, I don't know how successful I'm gonna be, I do wanna hear what they sound like. Ooh, that's very loud. Okay. I will listen to these fully. I want to get a vibe check, right? Like you gotta get, like, what am I getting myself into? It does feel very calming. This one feels a little bit loud though. I'd want to like check that a little bit. Okay, I will give those a go. Actually, I'm gonna go try these and I'm gonna show you, I tried 2 different like outfit things that I found on Amazon and it looked, oh, I was so excited. So the first one is a dress. It was like a summer dress. And when I tell you, I have looked everywhere for a summer sundress that isn't see-through, isn't super like chest forward, that I can wear a bra with, that isn't $500 and doesn't look cheap. Those were my requirements. I felt like I wasn't asking a lot. Apparently I was. So I did find this one. It was on a lot of people's wish lists. People were really excited about this. It comes in different patterns, different colors, and it's like a really cute, like those little like poofy sleeve dresses that are like tiered that are really, really popular right now. I got this like blue shade. It's got a little bit of ruching in here. It's going to be nice and like stretchy and stuff. It feels like good quality and everything. So we tried that. Wait, is this, I added some earrings, a little extra. Is this cute? I think I would size down one. I was worried it was gonna be like super tight, but it's like very stretchy. It's got some heft to it, a little bit of like weight. It's not super thin. I like the length. Oh, are you gonna be able to see it? How far away do I have to go before you can see it? Maybe here? Can you see now? Truly, I think it's kind of cute. I don't think hair down though. Let's try, hang on. Let's try clipping it. I think it needs a more like relaxed kind of an updo thing, like maybe like a messy bun or something. And also a strapless bra would be great. But honestly, I'm not mad at this. A little summer dress. Oh, I'm kind of excited about this. Okay. Maybe I don't have to keep looking for dresses. Let me know what you think. Should I get this color again in the small, or like maybe the army kind of green? Supposed to be really pretty. I don't know, let me know what you think. I kind of like it though. And then I know that like really cute pajamas have been trending. There have been a lot of different ones. There have been ones like fruit on it and just like the classic kind of silky pajamas and stuff. I found these and I was like, these could be really cute and super, super comfortable, especially with like summer coming up. A pretty classic piece. I got it with the white piping on it, but they have like a ton of different colors and different piping options and things like that. So we tried those on. Okay. What do we think of the piping? The buttons feel like very, like, don't get me wrong, I'm not a big like low cut shirt kind of girl, but like these feel very, like it feels very formal. Like I feel like it needs, like this button doesn't need to be here, right? Then it would be cute. This is also very high-waisted, just so you know. I personally like to wear my pants like here, but that just looks weird. Like, you know, it's supposed to sit up like right up there. That looks better. Like very soft, very silky. There's no like scratchiness or anything on the inside. They're very comfortable. Also like that I don't have to worry about it as in like running around with the kids in the morning and stuff. Like I don't have to worry about like I'm spilling out, you know? They're very cozy. They have so many different styles. Like kind of like these. Amazon is killing it today. Okay. Are you back? Cause same. So my thoughts on it. So I found them to be very loud. Now I'm someone who is a little bit more on like the jumpy side. Didn't know if you could tell by my personality. So some of the like bell noises were a little bit like came out of nowhere for whatever reason. Like they just felt aggressive. Not aggressive. Aggressive is the wrong word. I wasn't expecting it and it would just sort of like come up out of nowhere. It felt like there was one in particular that was like nong nong and I was like ah. So I think I might like space them away from me a little bit and see if I like that more, because you can turn it up like 2 notches but you can't turn it down. Like this is the normal average bear level. So it'd be nice if you could make it a little bit quieter. I think that I would appreciate something like that myself personally, but overall I did find it to be quite soothing. I liked that the 2 speakers kind of played off each other and went back and forth. And that was kind of nice. And the sound was very soothing. So again, I think I just might try just like not right beside me. But I have my keyboard back. You know, it's charged enough. It's fine. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, I said. Oh, I guess it is on. Press function, F1, okay. Okay, and then that's Bluetooth 1. Do the little loopy thing to pair, okay? We shall pair it to my phone. Okay, so I have my phone recording. Let's see if it's paired now. Apparently I can't spell my own name. It's kind of fun. Right now my kids are learning to like type properly. I kind of want to give them this. Learn how to type on a typewriter. I don't know what else to write. Can't spell. Do you like clacky keyboards? Let me know. I'm just gonna type, just random. Or do you like more like creamy sounding keyboards? More like, they call it thocky. It's like a deeper tone. This is kind of fun. Went straight into musical lyrics. Do I need this in my life? No. Is it super fun? Absolutely 1000% yes. This is amazing. I don't know what this does. Oh, what happened? I don't know what it did. This is, I think it changes something. Mode switch. Right. So you can switch between 2 different devices. So you can have this Bluetooth attached to like one device and then another one, and then you can just flip between. That's kind of cool. I don't know. I think this is fun. You cannot deny that this is just a fun device. You can't even see it. Look at this keyboard. Sorry I denied that to you. My goodness. It's super fun. I really love it. I'm excited about it. Thumbs up. And then of course the dupes. Now, I don't know if you know the tea on the brand Steve Madden, but they love to dupe. They love to take designer brands, dupe them, and then just suffer the consequences. I don't know why. None of us know why. But these were on the most wished for list for a while. And I didn't even realize until when I bought these, that these are almost exactly the same as the Hermes sandals. Now, do I have Hermes sandals? No. Do I own anything by Hermes? No, I don't. Do I appreciate their beauty? Of course. course, they're beautiful. But I'm more of a like invest my money than put it in really expensive shoes. These are Steven. Okay, I'm gonna put on screen, so I don't, like on this side, what the, these have a scent. What the Hermes ones look like, so you can see. There's also, I'll put over here, there's a TikTok of someone showing the side by side, which is why I found it. Like I've seen these for so long, I didn't realize that that's what this brand does now. Just dupe stuff. Now, are they exact? No. If you owned their Hermes ones or were very well versed in the world of Hermes, could you tell the difference? For sure. But I mean, they're pretty close. Let's try them on. I have no idea what these would even look like. All right, let's see. I am gonna show you what I look like with these sandals on, obviously. And I need you to know that I was sitting on my leg, which is why there's like all these like weird marks on my foot. I just have to tighten these up, tighten up the old bad boys. All right, let's go. Here we go. In my sweatpants, that's what they look like. What do we think? Are they Hermes? I'll put the Hermes ones there. What do we think? Like in terms of comfort, they are very comfortable. I feel very comfortable in these. I feel good walking in them. I hate that sound with sandals. Can you hear this? Hang on. It's that like stick sound that I hate it. At least with flip-flops, it has like a thwack kind of a sound that's like very flip-floppy, but this is just like sticky. And I feel like being outside, it's just gonna get worse. They're very comfortable though, like the nice, comfortable walk kind of a thing. I like the fact that they're adjustable with a little strap. That's nice too. They're a cute sandal. That's just like that. I think it's just a me thing. And you have to love the like chunky dad sandal vibe that these are too. Like that's a look. They are really close though to Hermes. That's pretty impressive. And then a product that got pushed to the side and I entirely forgot about until right now. It's a new Lipstain that I've actually seen a lot on Instagram. People have been like raving about it because the felt tip Lipstain, I don't know if you remember that era. They're back. It's the Outlast Lipstain. They have been selling out like crazy. I managed to get my hands on this like really pretty red though. Tangelo, number 25. This is the color right here. You remember these, right? These used to be really popular. They weren't very good, but they were popular. So I need to wipe off my lip stuff. It's not gonna match my look, but it's fine. Let's see if this is better than what they used to be like. In case you're wondering what I'm doing, I hate a really strong lip line. So I'm just like making it look a little bit more lived in. I have the lips that aren't really defined on the bottom. Like I don't have like a distinct line down there. So it makes it really hard to wear like really bold colors like this, except in a lived in way. Okay, it's not perfect, but what do we think? A little bit patchy, but I had to like kind of go over the area a couple of times just because again, my lips. I think the color is really pretty. I bet this is, you know what? I bet this will look really good with like a gloss on top. Okay, I have this one. What do we think? Can I pull off a red? It is a dark red. It feels darker on the bottom than it does on the top lip. Also does not match at all with the vibe I have going on. Oh, you know what? Why did I put a gloss on? How am I supposed to test the longevity this way? Okay, CoverGirl. I fully thought I made an error there. And I was like, well, I'll see, you know. Proof. The gloss is mildly pinky, which is why it looks mildly pinky on my skin. If you're looking for a felt tip liner, there are a bunch of colors. I wanted to get my hands on, there's like a really pretty like nudie pink one. It was out of stock. So that's the next one that I'm gonna buy, and I'm gonna save this one for Christmas. Let me know what you think. Do you like the whole like felt tip lip stain type thing? Genuinely very curious. Also, let me know if you come across anything on Amazon most wish for that we should test out next. Let me know what your favorite product was today. I'll link everything below. Make sure if you haven't already to subscribe. New videos here every single Thursday. Would love to see you back. And if you are new here and you come back to the next video, introduce yourself. I mean, introduce yourself now, but just say like, new, I'm back. Videos on the side, or I guess like right beside me. I don't know if I can put my arms on top of them. In case you miss any, in case you want to get caught up, I hope you guys are having an absolutely fantastic day, and I will see you guys all in the next one.